Hello, I'm Haley. I'm from VHD. Our full name is ValueHD Corporation. So we're a professional OEM and ODM manufacturer, especially for the um, video conference market. So we provide video conference with camera and webcam, such as video bar, such as kind of PC cameras. So this time our new items is like this. So it's with a large sensor and can support new features such as the NDI6, PDAF, OS, HDR10. So this is our new features to our customers. Yeah. So our company website is www.globalvhd.com.cn. Thank you.